Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video is another wig install. Don't you guys love my wig installs? Like, don't you guys love these videos? Because I do. Anyway, today's video is sponsored by Yolissa's hair, or Yolissa hair, and they sent me this pre-colored wig. And guys, it was not recommended for me to do a YouTube video for this, but I wanted to do a YouTube video because I needed you guys to see this wig. Okay, so I'm gonna be showing you guys what they sent me inside the packaging. So they sent me some lashes, they sent me a bag to put the wig in when I'm done, scarf, headband, stocking cap, their information card, and like how to clean the hair, and a baby hair comb that I already started using. So now on to the wig. So this is the wig, guys. This is how the wig came. Like, I didn't brush it, nothing. Like, I didn't curl it, I didn't do anything. Like, it came like this, and it came pre-colored just like this. Like, I'm super excited to try this color. Like, I am. I think this is my first time actually trying a color like this, and I'm super duper excited. So let's just begin. I might have to curl over the back a little bit, or maybe not. Like, but let's see. Anyway, this wig is a 200 density 26-inch 13x4. Size is medium, 200 density, and I think this is transparent lace, or like closer to it's not HG lace, like one of those transparent laces. Anyways, this is the wig, and this is how it's looking. I'm super excited to try this wig on, or not try, but to actually put it on my head. So I'm gonna go ahead and start this installation process.
Yeah, I love you so down to nothing. It's been weeks now without talking. It is time you give me something, 'cause I've given.
Oh my, I'm drowning in your crystal eyes. Oh, I feel you got me. So you spin the spiral again and again, but I see you standing right off the top. So you learn me dancing like crazy. I wouldn't mind it.
I love you so down to nothing. It's been weeks now without talking. It is time you give me something, 'cause I've given.
Oh my, I'm drowning in your crystal eyes. Oh, I feel you got me. So you spin the spiral again and again, but I see you standing right off the top. So you lure me dancing like crazy. Yes, I wouldn't mind it. Oh, 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 oh.
So this is pretty much the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Honestly guys, this wig was bomb as F. Literally, like the highlights on the wig was like superb. Absolutely love this wig. I will link the wig down in the description box, so if you guys want to purchase it, definitely use the link down below. But for now, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I post, and leave all your comments down below. Also, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, stay tuned for my next one. Bye.